Morning, this is Bob Mason from FX Empire and welcome to another daily crypto tech review of EOS, Ethereum and Ripple with a glance at Bitcoin. It's Tuesday the 16th of June. Jumping into EOS US dollar with the 1 hour candlestick. What a day yesterday, pretty choppy. So we're going to need to see EOS avoid a fall through the pivot at 50.86 to support a run at this first major resistance level sitting at 59.64. Going to need support from the broader market to break out from yesterday's high that was at 57.03. Failure to break through to 257 levels, we could see EOS pull back again. Fall through the pivot would bring the first major support level at 44.69. So look out for a fall through 2.5 levels. Barring another crypto meltdown, we should see EOS avoid the second major support level sitting at 35.91. Jumping across to the daily candlestick and the longer term trend, we saw EOS find support here at 242 levels that we talked about yesterday. So that's going to need to continue to avoid a fall through this key support level at 226. A move through today's resistance levels and a breakout from 280s would bring this key resistance level here at 311s into play to support this near-term bullish trend. A pullback through this support level will bring the major support level here into play, which is at 226s. A fall through there and we'll see a reversal of this near-term bullish trend. So again, this support level remains key over the coming days. Moving across to Ethereum dollar and looking at the hourly candlestick, it's another mixed up to the day with a slight pullback. We're going to need to see Ethereum avoid the pivot at 227.60, however, to support a run at this first major resistance level sitting at 237.39. We're going to need support from the broader market for a breakout from late high of 234 yesterday. Failure to avoid a fall through the pivot would bring this first major support level sitting at 221.18 into play. Barring an extended sell-off, should avoid the second major support level sitting at 211.38. Looking at the daily candlesticks, yesterday again we talked about this support level here at 225s, and we saw Ethereum pull back yesterday through that but bounce back, so that remains a key support level near term. Going to need to see Ethereum break through this major resistance level of the day to bring 250s into play again, and this key resistance level at 253.60. A breakout from the 23.6% fib at 257 would then support the near-term bullish trend. Fall through this support level here and the day's first major support level that sits at 221.18 would bring this sub 200s into play and this key support level at 176. Fall through that and we're going to see a reversal of this near-term bullish trend. Jumping across to Ripple XRP against the dollar on the hourly candlestick. Again, another bearish start to the day, nothing major though. Ripple's going to need to avoid a fall through to sub 19's pivot to support a run at this first major resistance level sitting at 1966. We're going to need support from the broader market, however, to break out from Monday's late high at 19,347. That was a trend bucking move on Monday for Ripple. A fall through the pivot would bring the first major support level at 1853 into play. Barring another major sell-off, we should see Ripple avoid the second major support level that sits at 1781. On the upside, that first major resistance level and Monday's high should be the cap. Moving to the daily candlestick, we saw that major support level sitting at 1840 kick in yesterday, with Ripple briefly falling back through to 1820 levels. That move back through supported the upward momentum late in the day. We're going to need to Ripple break back out through this level, however, at 21,500 to support the upward trend, a near-term bullish trend, and a breakout through to that major resistance level at 23.57s. A fall through back the support level that we saw yesterday would bring this major support level sitting at 17,500 into play. A fall through there, and we would expect a reversal of this near-term bullish trend form back in mid-March. Finally, looking at the daily candlestick for Bitcoin, we saw a rebound yesterday, and we're going to need to see Ripple break through the pivot here. These are the weekly pivots and support and resistance levels. A break back through to 9,900 levels would be bullish for the broader market and support that near-term bullish trend. If we see a pullback through to sub 9,000s, we've got the 23.6% fib at 8,900 and this key support level at 8,700. Fall through that and expect Bitcoin to weigh on the broader market.